So what you can also easily do inside of ILoveIMG is you can go ahead and crop out images as well. So to do that, you can click on crop image, and once you do that, you can select out an image right here and then select out an image that you want to crop right here and press open. So once you do that, you get the crop areas. As you can see, you can go ahead and click and drag to resize the crop area right here. So you can see the width right here as well. So you can actually go ahead and, let's say for example, choose the exact width and height right here. And you can go ahead and click and drag to change the position. Or if you want to be precise, you can go ahead and type in the exact, let's say for example, position as well. So you can go around over here and say, let's say for example, right here, you can go to 70 and so forth right here, just like this. So now this is what you have, as you can see, and now you can simply go ahead and crop the image right here. And once you do that, you can go ahead and download the crop image right here and click on save. And then this is what you have, as you can see. You got the cropped image right here, just like this. So you can access out the crop image right from the top menu as well. And even under more tools, you can see the crop image right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize ILoveIMG to crop out the images that you have. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.